AI is now changing Indian accents in call centers. Is this innovation, discrimination, or job replacement? Let's find out. Teleperformance, one of the world's largest call center companies, has introduced AI-powered accent neutralization. The software, developed by Sanas, can modify the accents of Indian customer service agents in real time, making them sound more neutral to global customers. The company claims this will improve customer experience by making conversations clearer and easier to understand. Many agents struggle with frustrated customers who complain about their accents, and AI could help solve that problem. Businesses say this leads to higher customer satisfaction and fewer miscommunications. But not everyone is happy. Critics argue that this AI erases cultural identity. Instead of training customers to understand different accents, companies are forcing employees to change the way they speak. Some say this reinforces bias against non-Western accents. Is this innovation or just another form of discrimination? There's also a bigger question. What if AI gets too good at modifying voices? If AI can perfectly mimic a human voice, will companies eventually replace real call center agents with AI-generated voices? Some experts warn that this technology could be the first step toward automating customer service jobs entirely. So what do you think? Is AI changing voices to help workers, or is it the first step toward replacing them? Comment below with your thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the future of AI.